All right, so in this video, I'm just going to teach you how to use the basic functions of the Vivax receiver. When you're locating, you'll typically be using this classic locate mode. You can switch between frequencies, of course, by pressing the F button. Instead of cycling all the way back through, if I needed to get back to 8, you can hold down F and then move up and down here and press I to go back, and then you're back to 8K. To switch between peak and peak with arrows or peak and null, use the M button, the enter button, just press it once. You want to use that mode most of the time. But one thing you need to be aware of, it's going to keep it on that mode, but power and radio cannot use the arrows. So it switches it back to peak, and now it stays on that mode. So when I get back to 8K, it's going to still be just on peak mode. So you got to remember to turn that back on each time if you cycle all the way through. The other thing we can do is hold down the enter button to switch our locate modes completely. This goes to the sonde mode. Hold it down again. This is our vector mode, which is useful for being able to locate pipes without actually crossing all the way over them. It'll show you the direction or the distance that you are from the pipe if you can't cross all the way over it, if it's in the street or behind a fence. And at the same time, it shows you a plan view, a top-down view of the pipe. So this can be useful in certain situations. We'd recommend using it only situationally, not all the time. Hold this down to get back to classic locate. Okay, so we're also going to get a readout of depth right here whenever we're on a pipe, and we're going to get a milliamp reading. And then, of course, we get this meter. If we were locating a pipe, we're going to watch the meter mainly. The arrows are a confirmation, but we're going to locate based off the meter. If it's green, that means the signal is not distorted. That should be our best accuracy signal. Blue is medium, and that's still pretty good. Red, it means there's distortion. And doesn't mean we're not on the right pipe, but it means we may not have the best accuracy on horizontally or vertically. And of course, we have gain here. It's listed in decibels. We can turn that up and down with the plus and minus button. That's going to adjust the sensitivity of the readings that you're getting. And here's your compass. It will align with the field or the pipe that you're locating, and you'll want to pay attention to that to see the direction of the pipe.